Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are moving towards Jabori near Shankyari for a great barbecue program, and we are on the way towards Jabori. We are here in Jabori and all set for great barbecue plan, and this is beautiful location. Jabori is situated in Mansehra KPK, and it is almost 25 km from Shinkyari. We are sitting along the river Siran. This is very cool water. Source of water in river Siran is snow covered mountains, and it is quite cool water, and you can enjoy especially in summer. Surmai fish of the river Siran and chapal kebab are specialty at this picnic spot.